Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Now, Terra Classic, as of today, has been burning about 40,980,635 coins. And before the end of the year, we might be seeing Terra Classic burning over 1 billion coins. Now, one thing is for sure, Terra Classic burning is definitely going to increase. Now, Binance has been burning, and a lot of community has also been asking other top exchanges to start burning, just like Kucoin. Kucoin have been supporting Terra Classic, and Kucoin are also here to burn. And I believe that this year a lot of community are also supporting Terra Classic burn, especially the 1.2% tax burn. And the Binance are in, so many crypto companies are in. And for this year, Terra Classic started the year with an impressive rise, and we also saw Terra Classic pumping. We also saw the market cap increasing, and I believe that this coin will continue to increase. We have about 6 trillion coins out there, and I believe Terra Classic destroying at least 1 or 2 trillion coins of Terra Classic is definitely going to help Terra Classic to hit over 1000%. And I believe if the developers can really come together to say, look, let us burn some of our supply, the remaining supply, because if Terra Classic can burn some of the remaining supply, I believe it's going to make things easier. It's going to destroy a lot of coins. So destroying these coins, we need a lot of things to be done. The 1.2% tax burn right now, is not really burning much. The 1.2% tax burn it's just burning. Sometimes you see 5 million, 2 million. So you see the 1.2% tax burn is not really burning much. So if they can really get so many ways they can destroy Terra Classic coin, I believe this coin is definitely going to increase in price. Now, so many people have been predicting Terra Classic to hit $1 this year, and I don't think Terra Classic will hit $1 this year, but it's a possibility this coin can reach that level. But I believe that Terra Classic can also reach 1 cent with the way Binance have been supporting this coin, with the way other dwells, with the way the burning of Terra Classic coin is going to increase this year, because definitely I know that the burning of Terra Classic is to increase. For example, Terra Classic was able to burn over 35 billion coins within the period of 3 months. That was last year. So I believe this year that number is going to increase. Now we're talking about 3 months, and we're talking about the next 12 months. So I believe Terra Classic is going to really increase.